Well, the second generation Bronco was built on the bones of the Ford F-150 to combat the Chevy Blazer. I love the stripes on this. They fade. Now, this is a graphic. It is not paint. This is 3M Scotchlite. So these stripes are reflective. So count this as a safety option, if you will.
Speaking of options, this is something under the hood we never would have had back in 1979, the Coyote with a Magnuson supercharger, probably 3 times the power of even the 400 cubic inch optional engine in the smog 70s. But again, a lot of power here.
Well, not just new paint and new graphics, but all new glass in this Bronco. So this is a fully done frame-off restoration and done to a very high standard. Some imitation wood on the dash, signs of the deluxe interior on this Bronco Custom. So it was ordered to a high standard, and then it was fully restored to a better one.
Yeah, and all new wiring as well. I mean, they've really gone the distance from top to bottom and, recreating and building an even better Bronco than you would have gotten back in 1979.
The rear multi-leaf springs have a couple of slappers as the lower leaf there, only for extreme conditions, and a rear sway bar.
Big money in the house, closing in on $200,000.
That spray bar is going to come in handy. This probably has a center of gravity of the Statue of Liberty.
KMC 3-piece alloy wheels with bead locks at the rim. Shane Ratliff having a little fun with the bidder before he hammers it sold.
Well, what happened was the bidder assistant reached out to congratulate the buyer as if he'd already bought it. And Shane was like, no, the hammer's still in the air. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. So it's a funny little moment.